Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video. In this new video, we are going to see the best alternative that you can use to After Effects. So, something that you can do with After Effects, it is Adobe After Effects. Concretely, you can work with different type of animation. You can make a lot of animation with a process and a node systems. And it's extremely powerful because you can have the freedom to do a lot of things. If you want to work with image montage, if you want to create with video montage, you want to add various type of effect using text, using shape, you can do this with After Effects. After Effects, it is with a subscription, and sometimes it's not extremely convenient. And you have other tools very interesting that you can use in more interesting price and also very powerful. And I'm going to introduce to you two of the best tools of alternative to After Effects. So the first tool will be Cavalry. Cavalry. It is a powerful animation software, very close to After Effects, and you have different type of tools. So first you can just take a look on their website. With Cavalry, concretely, you will have a system with a free version, and you will have a system also with a paid version. So concretely, you can take a look on their website, you can download the software, and as you can see, you have different type of planes, and you have a free plane when you have access to all the basic features of Cavalry. And if you want to have more advanced features and more possibility, you can have access to a subscriptions, but you can have also the free version, or you can do already a lot of things. So I'm going to introduce Cavalry with a look to the interface of Cavalry. So as you can see, we have a lot of features. So we have a lot of things to do. So it's not extremely easy to start with this type of software. You can manage the different panels at your convenience. You will have first on the left panels with a different asset where you can manage your composition and the assets as well. And just below attribute editor. What does it mean? It means you can select any object or any layers, and you will have different options on the attribute editors, like the shape, the fill, the stroke, and you will be able to animate the different properties, like for example, the translation properties, the rotation properties, the scale properties, but also many more properties that you can animate. Totally on the right, I have a colors, possibility to add different type of layers, and just below you will find a summary of all the elements that you have in your scene, and you have also a timeline where you will be able to add keyframes and to edit these keyframes as well. The powerful things of Cavalry is definitely you can mix with different conception tools. Conception tools easy to use, and you can mix these conception tools with different many great features for animate. So you can animate many properties. You have ergonomic timelines, and it's definitely a very interesting software that you can use as an alternative to After Effects. The second software that I'm going to show you, it is Natron. It is a very powerful software. This one is open source and it is totally free software. You can have a powerful node-based system to work with animation. You can go on their website, you will have the possibility to download this, and definitely you can work with many type of things. You can write different type of transition, work with images, text, and shapes at the same time, and animate all the property with a powerful node system. It's not too much upgraded, so it is something that you need to know, but still with the version you can really do and have very powerful tools if you want to work with animation. And the range of possibility are definitely very great if you use Natron. So you can go on their website if you want to try the software and learn the software, and I'm going to show you the interface. So we are going to see the interface of Natron. So as you can see, different type of window. Totally on the left, you have all the node categorized. So totally on the left, you have a library of different tools, and it's concretely a categorized of different nodes that you can use. You have many possibility of nodes, so this is why the range of possibility are amazing. Totally on the right, you will have properties panels and a project setting. So each time when you click on a node, you can edit this node and you can animate the different properties. So depending on the nodes that you select, you can really adjust the different property. You have also the project settings and you can work with the composition. I think Natron is really close to After Effects. Cavalry is very great as a great alternative, but I think Natron is something most close to After Effects because you have really this node system, extremely interesting, extremely powerful, and you can mix the different nodes together, and thanks to that you can create the animation that you want. It's not extremely easy for a simple reason that you need to learn the different nodes, what you can do with the nodes, have access to the different properties, but when you start to mix the different nodes together, definitely you have an amazing range of possibility using Natron. If you want to learn this software, I'm going to put on the first link on the description the complete course Cavalry. So if you want to learn Cavalry starting from scratch with a course structure, it will be on the first link on the description. You will see the model session of the course. Here you have informations about the course, so it means the number of lessons, the number of hours of video content, and the price. It is a complete course to perfectly master Cavalry. You will see on the left the different models and sessions of the curves. Like for example, here you have the models, how you can work to create shapes, and you can create shapes. If you want to start with, for example, the dashboard and the different sessions inside. Don't forget that you can click on Show More as well to see more information about all the course content, so it means the models and the session of the course. So Cavalry, the complete course will be on the first link on the description. You have also a video of introduction just here. Second link on the description, I'm going to put Natron, the complete course. And one more time, it is a big course to perfectly master Natron and the different features. And here you will see the number of lessons and the number of hours of video content as well, and also the price. On the left, you will see the models and sessions. So it means models start with Natrons, what you will be able to do, how you can manage the different dashboard, and you will see Show More if you want to see all the models and all the sessions of the course for the organization. So this one will be in the second link on the description with a complete course for Natron software. You can also take a look on this channel because we have a series of video tutorial on Cavalry and series of video tutorial as well on Natron to start with the software and also to have basic information about this software. So definitely two great alternatives to After Effects. I think I can propose you these two software. Cavalry is definitely a very great alternative, and you have a free version and a paid version. And Natron is also a very great alternative to After Effects, and this one is totally free. For our next video, see you. Ciao, ciao.